Find the average of the third set. In a day, 20 workers can assemble an average of 500 watches. 5 of the workers can assemble an average of 485 watches, and 12 of the other workers can assemble an average of 480 watches. Find the average number of watches the remaining workers can assemble in a day. So this average is going to be equal to the total number of watches that the remaining workers make divided by the total number of remaining workers. So first let's figure out what is the number of remaining workers. Well, we know we started off with 20 workers. That's the total number of workers. Then we talked about these 5 who made 485, and then 12 that made 480. So if we take the total number of workers and subtract each of these parts, we would figure out that there's 3 workers left that haven't been talked about. So let's figure out how many watches that these 3 workers made. Well, we know that 20 averaged 500 each. So all 20 workers made a total of 10,000 watches. Then the information given said that 5 of the workers made an average of 485 each. So that's 2,425 of those 10,000 watches. And lastly, 12 other workers made 480 each on average. So that's another 5,760 of the watches. So if we were to add these up, 17 of the workers made 8,185 watches. If we take that away from 10,000, we would figure out that the remaining 3 workers made 1,815 watches. Okay, so when we go back to calculating our average for these remaining workers, we divide the number of watches they made, which is 1,815, by the number of them that there are, which is 3 workers. Okay? And 1,815 divided by 3 comes out exactly to 605.